We're gonna run through a quick video on how to set up an IRS payment plan. You went online and tried to do it. For whatever reason, you did not have the online option to set up installment agreement, so you're gonna have to do it on the paper form. You want to search form 9465. That's the installment agreement request. Zoom through the instructions, especially the user fees, because there's an IRS user fee associated with this. In this case, it's 107, I believe. This is what the form looks like, and let's get into a quick example. This is one of the simpler kind of cases, but it's still very good example. Towards the top of the form, you're going to put the form number 1040 for the income tax. Below that, you got to put down what years it was for. So here is 2021 for 1 year. If it's multiple years, you could put a period of years, 2020 through 2023, for example. Below, it's going to be your basic info: name, last name, and social, along with your current address. If it's a new address, check the box. Be sure to include your phone number. That is required. They need a phone number. This is the part I want to focus on a little bit more. So towards the top, line 5, that's usually the current tax due on the current tax return you're filing, and below that is if you owe for previous amounts. Bottom line, it's going to really add those up to get like a total amount. In this case, it's $25,200. Where can you get that amount? The best way to get that amount is to log into your IRS online account, and it'll show a total balance due. You're going to get the correct total balance due, because the next step is going to involve dividing that total amount due by 72, and that's more or less the amount, the monthly payment amount that they're willing to accept. In this case, that amount is $350. If you can afford $350, which is what this taxpayer is going with, great news. That's going to be the bulk of the work there. You just gotta fill out the rest of the form. If you cannot, you can propose a lower amount, but that's going to be a longer process, and you're gonna have to submit additional forms. You might want to get a tax professional to help you on that in that case. But for this gentleman, we are all set. $350. The next step is going to be to choose the date that you're going to make the payment. It's the 1st through the 28th. At the bottom, you want to put your banking info. That makes it the most affordable if you set it up for automatic debit. Towards the bottom, don't forget to sign in date. You can print out the form and mail it to the address and the instructions. If you want to get it in faster, you're going to have to give them a call and fax it in. The number on the most recent IRS letter is usually the one you can call. If you have any questions regarding setting up an installment agreement, feel free to contact me, and I'll be glad to help. Thanks.